Hi guys! So today I have received some gorgeous gel polishes from Madame Glam. All the details will be in the description box below. You can get 30% off using my code, which will be in the bottom left corner. And also you can join their VIP where you pay an amount each month which saves up, and then you can splurge out whenever you want to. So I chose this one which was called Creation. This is a lovely lilac pastel-y colour. It is beautiful. Next one I chose was the lovely New Moon. Now I seen this and I thought it was like a really light grey, but after me swatching it, as you can see, it's like a really light blue. You can only just about to see it here, but when you see them all together you can actually see the blue in it. This one is called Prime. This is beautiful. I think this is like my fave one. Usually it's a blue, which is my fave, but this is like a peachy pink, which is really nice. And then I also chose this one, which is called Goddess of Spring. Now this is a really light mint green, which as you can see here. So as you can see here, they all are together, and you can see the colours more there. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Goddess of Spring. I'm going to do it on 2 nails. I am also using my Eliana hand, which I love. Great for practicing. I'm still not brilliant at gel polish. I do get it around the sides and stuff, but hey ho, I do clean it off. Once I put it in the lamp, it's easier just to peel away rather than trying to smear all the wet gel polish. But obviously if you're doing it on yourself, then clean it off before you cure it. So I am doing 2 coats of this and curing for 30 seconds in between. Okay, so now I'm using these gorgeous bunny decals from Nail Sugar, which I use the stamping method. So I cut out my piece, my design, should say, sorry. I dab on the water, not too much but not too little. Let that rest, probably about 10 to 15 seconds. I always dab around it, because if you wanted to add more than one on the same nail, it doesn't wet the rest of the gel polish, so that gel polish is still sticky. There you go, it slides right off there. And then you can look down the stamper and see where you position it and just give it a press. And ta-da, that's done. Okay, so I've done the same with the butterflies on this finger here. I think they are so cute, also from the same sheet of decals. So now I am just going over with no, it wasn't top coat, it was base coat, sorry. I like to put a layer of this on, and then I will be adding some glitter. Got to love glitter, haven't you? Especially Nail Sugar's glitter, of course. So this is Happy Bunny glitter. This was on a limited edition mix. I don't think it's available, but I'm sure they'll be similar on the website. So I'm just getting a nail art brush and just dabbing it in to that wet base coat. And then once you're done with placing all the glitter where you want it, I always double cure it so it can go through the glitter as well. Better to be safe than sorry. And give that a shake there. Just put a little bit on there. I just wanted a few more pink ones on this one. While I'm doing this, I hope you're all well. I've been working non-stop. It just every week feels like Christmas at the moment. And we've had our stock taken Asda, so yeah, that was busy time for us. Yep, so I hope you're all well. I said this in my last video, but I really hope I can start doing weekly nails again. Just depends on how tired I am, really. Okay, so now I'm going in with Prime on the last two nails. It's a nice thin coat. See, that was really messy applying that. But these gel polishes are absolutely gorgeous. I do really like these gel polishes. And the bonus is it only takes 30-second cure. So pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, I didn't press record. I must have like not pressed it properly with my gloves on, but I'd done 2 marble nails, which you can only just about see, but it's a very subtle marble, so I actually quite like it. You can just about see the colours there. Yep, so I'm sorry about that, guys. So now I am just going over with some Madam Glam's top coat. And then once you've done a nice layer of this, making sure you cap the free edges, which I always forget to do. I do it on myself, but when I'm doing a video I forget to do it. Must remember. So yeah, I'm actually quite happy with this set, although the marble didn't quite work out as I wanted to, but hey ho. So yeah, that's the finished set. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will leave some snapshots of the nails coming up right now. And I hope to see you all again soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I am very close to 500 subscribers. So, bye.